Welcome to Pinkwala Tech, guys, and in today's first segment of news, we're going to be discussing everything that has occurred in the past week in the tech space and also discuss what's to come. To start off with, let's start off with troll. We're not going to be trolling anyone, but Samsung has had the longest running reputation for trolling Apple, and it's led to some hilarious content and campaigns for us. But someone has followed suit, and Poco has now started trolling OnePlus on their new OnePlus Nord 2 releases. There are some tweets out here you guys can check, and maybe this is just going to lead to something more funny for us too. In the next few months to go, Samsung will be releasing some premium phones out to us. Amongst these phones are the Z Fold 3 and the Z Fold Flip 3. What's new about these phones is the IPX8 rating. These two phones will be the first folding phones to have an IP rating. Isn't that a great thing? Because the previous models, we've always complained about water resistance or even mud getting out into the hinges. That's going to be a problem which is going to be eradicated completely. I'm pretty excited about this launch. If you want to stand a chance to win some official merchandises from Battleground Mobile India, be a part of the community which is called as Get Ready to Jump. The contest will end this month on the 30th of July. Winners will be announced in the first week or the second week of August. 150 such people or lucky people stand a chance to win this merchandise. Epic has been in the news lately not just because of Fortnite, but because of its ongoing lawsuit with Apple. It's also gone ahead and filed a lawsuit against Google. Most of the details about this lawsuit are unknown to us until further notice from the court. But what we are aware is Epic wanted to launch the game Fortnite exclusively on Samsung's store. Google didn't want that. They made an offer to Epic which Epic declined. But Google has made it difficult for Epic even to launch the game on Samsung's very own store. That's the reason why Epic has gone ahead and filed this complaint against Google in the courts. Details are still pending, but if we have any further details, you'll be the first ones to know from us. There have been many ongoing speculations and rumors all over the internet with the launch of iPhone 13 just around the corner. One of the great things that has caught our eye though is the presence of 1 terabyte of storage on these models. On the ongoing current generation ones, the maximum capacity that we have is 512 gigabytes of storage. This one will have 1 TB. This is probably hinting towards the larger sensors that are speculated to come with the iPhone 13. Maybe that's just another way to store the large amount of data that these sensors will generate. If you're not familiar with the term Google Lens, that's one feature you should try out. You don't need a phone to do it or an app on your phone to do it anymore. If you're using Google Chrome as your web browser, just right-click on any of the images being displayed on the web. You will be able to get additional information of the object which is on the image in terms of shopping availabilities or any other additional information. It's a very neat and a cool feature to have directly on your web browser right now. Do go ahead and try it out. And these have been the news that have been trending in the last 1 week. And if you are interested in such segments of news from us, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe to us. And if there are any specific segments that you'd like, or there are any specific news that you would like us to cover, do leave us a comment. This is Aurelius here from Pinkwala Tech, and this has been the news segment.